Enter the student ID here. Select the student ID from the drop down box. Total result will be displayed. Marks in all subjects as well as result. See, everything is changed. What I have done is I have entered a formula here. You can see filter bracket open A2 to J36. So what is this? This is the range of the data set, comma. Student ID is in A column. So that's why A2 to A36. That is student ID, range of student ID. That is equal to L2. L2 is this one, where we are entering the criteria. That is L2. And after that, comma, two quotation marks. These two quotation marks are, if the record is not found, this total will be blank. This mark sheet will not be displayed. This is the formula. With the help of this formula, we can find out the result of